Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I'll show you how to summarize data using a pivot table in Excel. Pivot tables are a powerful way to quickly organize and analyze large sets of information without writing any formulas. First, open your Excel sheet and make sure your data is in a table format with clear column headers. Then, click anywhere inside your data range. Next, go to the Insert tab at the top and tap Pivot Table. Excel will ask where you want to place it. Usually a new worksheet is best, so hit OK. Now you'll see the pivot table field list on the right. Drag the column you want to analyze, like sales, into the values area. Then drag another field, like region or product, into the rows area. Instantly, Excel will create a summary showing totals for each category. You can also drag fields into columns for side-by-side comparisons or into filters to narrow down results. For example, you could filter by year 2, see only 2024 sales, and that's it. With just a few drags and drops, you can turn raw data into clear summaries using pivot tables. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more Excel tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.